Well, something I hadn't shared yet on the channel is, as a middle-aged man, I have also peaked in my love of lawn care. Now, nothing screams I've become excessively middle-aged man like getting yourself a Scott Bonnar. Because I thought, if I was going to get excited about lawn care, might as well go all in. So, I actually made myself a little putting green. Now this Scott Bonnar is 1960s. I actually picked it up totally trashed out at Toowoomba, so it turned over, but it has actually been a nut and bolt rebuild, so new 3.5 Briggs Stratton. Then whole thing's been powder coated, so actually has a gold fleck in it if you look carefully. And then I had it all sharpened and checked for me at Brisbane Cylinder Mower service. But yeah, they're a pretty special thing. And this is my little putting green. One thing I've come to appreciate is how much work it is to actually set up and maintain a putting green. Yeah, a little bit more than I expected. Certainly got a lot more respect for all the people that do this as a job. Bloody hell, it's a lot of work. So what we're going to do here is take out the old flagpole, a company called David Golf. So I've got the whole putting cup here. It's pretty sweet actually. Check this out. So it just goes in. So trim that out. And you're away. So decked it down. Now I'm just going to hit it with the Scott Bonnar and see how we go. Fire him up.